When your job sucks the life out of you, it is hard to stay motivated. Don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to share 5 ways to stay on track and achieve success. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Listen, if you're anything like me, then you know when your job sucks the life out of you, it is hard to stay motivated. It is hard to get out of bed in the morning to go to work. The first thing I want you to do is make a list of the things you're thankful for. A gratitude list. Seriously, I know this sounds cheesy. That being said, it doesn't mean it doesn't work. Every time you start to feel like you're getting bogged down with the negativity of the job at hand, take a step back and think of all the things that you're grateful for. It could be anything from your health to amazing coworkers. Okay, maybe not amazing, but it could be having a job in this economy. There are many things that we can be grateful for, even if our job is killing us. When you start to focus on the positive things in your situation, it's amazing how much better you feel. And maybe by having this list of gratitude, you may actually start to like your job because you start to see the benefits that it provides you. The next thing I want you to do is find a hobby that you love. Something that you can put your heart and soul into. Something that you can really dedicate your time, your emotions, your energy into, especially when you're starting to feel burnout from work. And really, a hobby can be anything that brings joy. It helps you relax. You could do quilting. You could do painting. For myself, I go fishing. No matter what you choose as the hobby, so long as it helps you break away from your day-to-day challenges of work itself, it is a great hobby. That's it. The next thing you need to do is you need to exercise regularly. Now, this is not coming from a guy who does exercise regularly, but I can't argue with the truth. Okay, note to self. Get your lazy ass out for a walk, okay? I'll do it if you do it. Exercise is a great way to relieve stress. It gets your heart pumping, the endorphins flowing, which can really help you forget your troubles, if only for a little while. Exercise, whether that be going to the gym or just going for a walk on a long country road, that's what I'll be doing. But it gives you time to clear your head, to sort your thoughts, and refocus on things other than work. Refocus your priorities. Start thinking about that gratitude list. Next is take time for yourself. Just because your job is sucking the life out of you, it does not mean that it has control over every aspect of your life. Make sure you schedule in some me time every day, even if it's just a few minutes. Take a break, watch a movie, Netflix and chill, get your coffee, just something to break the routine and just to allow you to woosah for a moment. Now this one's a big one with a couple of steps, but I want you to make time to reconnect with your friends and your family. Okay, here's the deal. This next transition, it doesn't make sense, but the information is still very valuable, so I'm not deleting it. I'm not redoing it. I'm just recording myself now, letting you know I wasn't happy with how like it's your problem, how I transitioned into the next way, and it doesn't make sense, but it's still good. Okay, what is it that you need to do in terms of reconnect? One thing you can do is you can join a social network, something related to your hobbies, or you can join a network that's related to your job to help you find different understanding, to vent perhaps, and just blow it out. One thing that I've created for managers like us is a Facebook group. So in the description, feel free to go and join. You are welcome with your baggage and all. Next is to make time for having a coffee or a little snack, some donuts, whatever. Just go meet up with friends. Break the routine and just have some time to get to reconnect with people that you maybe haven't talked to for a while. I believe that there's a part of me that has been so entrenched in my own work, which I love this work, but it's with the support of my wife saying, get your ass out and go call your friends. Go out for a beer, go out for a coffee. That's why this one is so important for me, because I know it from experience. You have to break out even if you love the job, because so many things can just pile up and you just need a break. A coffee with a friend is that break. And next, this can't be overstated enough, is just have regular check-ins with your family and friends. That means don't think that, well, they haven't called me, so I'm not calling them. You know, the phone, Zoom, whatever, FaceTime, it works both ways. Call in. Check in to make sure that your friends are doing okay. Check in to make sure that your family is doing okay. By having these periodic check-ins, again, especially with the economy, with the political field, it's just, I feel everything is so pulled apart that we need to put in the effort to make sure we're checking on those we love, those we care about, and just giving ourselves, in a selfish way, having peace of mind of connecting and having somebody to talk to. They need it and you need it. Listen, big picture is you need to step back away from the work and try to figure out what is it that's sucking the life out of you. If it's something you can change, change it. If it's out of your control, try to figure out ways that you can accept it or at least make it tolerable. Now, maybe one of the problems is you're dealing with difficult managers or difficult coworkers. That's what I talk about in this video. So if you think that might be what's sucking the life out of you, go watch it. I'll see you there. Get your coffee.